everyone, today is day 5 and I am so proud of you guys for joining me from day 1, and I hope that you have learned from me so far in these trainings. So today we're going to talk about how you can fast track your success on Fiverr with my help. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a couple of questions and you have to be honest with yourself. So are you someone who wants to make more money right now because right now you're just earning peanuts? Are you someone who is just starting on Fiverr and you are absolutely clueless on what to do next? Are you someone who has absolutely no idea how to get your first stream of orders? And are you someone who has tried a bunch of stuff on Fiverr, but nothing has really worked? Time to fix it, you guys. So I am introducing for the very first time Freedom with Fiverr, double your income, earn online, and be your own boss in 6 weeks. And this is my signature applications only program that I am launching right now. Okay, so just a quick heads up. This is a 6-week intensive and long program, which includes weekly online live sessions. They are not recorded, they are absolutely live. So live Q&A, live feedback and everything. And we're gonna record the sessions when we're done with the live training. This includes 5 modules. I will be sharing with you my client winning scripts. I will be sharing with you the worksheets and the exercise that you need to do in order to have those orders on the platform. And of course, 24/7 Facebook group for support. So if you have any questions during the week, you have the Facebook group and you have me to answer all of your questions on that group. So that's members only group. So let's talk about what will you get out of this course. So money, of course. So since you'll earn more by earning online, less stress because now you'll know exactly what works. And freedom, of course, freedom with time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. Okay, so now let's talk about what are the things that you will be covering in all of these modules. So module 1 is the expertise breakdown. And in this module, you will learn how to break down your expertise to identify the best selling and winning gigs that you will love to do. You will also learn how the platform works so that you can stop the feeling of overwhelm right away. Module 2 is set up for success. So in this module, you will set up your Fiverr account and profile, optimize it fully to start strong and in order to create an amazing impression as a new seller. Module 3, which is my favorite module, is my go-to gig method that is exclusively my own. And this is a 2-part module where you will learn my step-by-step method to creating a go-to gig, a crash course on SEO for first page ranking, thumbnail psychology, and a lot more. The 4th module is where I cover getting that sale. In this module, you will learn how to get your very first sale and how to keep making those consistent sales. And this module includes my scripts on how to approach buyers, how to talk with buyers, how to communicate with them pre, post, and during the orders. Module 5 is my 5-star delivery module, where in this module you will learn how to deliver projects that guarantee a 5-star rating and how to have a perfect customer service even after the project has been completed. This module includes my scripts. This module includes the training on how to withdraw your money. And this module also includes how to manage orders when you have a bunch of them, because you will have a bunch of orders. Okay, so time for some bonuses. So bonus 1 is my behind the scenes of my Fiverr dashboard. I will be sharing with you my personal mistakes that I have done in the past, my custom messages that I present and share with the clients and the buyers, and of course, my personal management system, how I manage my orders from start to finish. Bonus 2 is the best, which is the access to members only Facebook group. If you have any questions during the week, you can simply ask on Facebook group and you will be having this group for lifetime. So even after 6 weeks, the program is over. And if you have any questions, even after the 6th or 7th week, it is okay to mention on that group, and I will be answering it for you guys. The third bonus is the audit of your Fiverr account. This is a super, super cool bonus because here I will be reviewing your profile, your gigs, and this is after module 4. And I will be giving a personalized feedback on how you can improve your profile and your gigs on Fiverr. Okay, so this is the exciting part because this is the fast action bonus. So if you enroll before 28th April, you will get this bonus. This is my getting clients from Facebook training. This is a recorded training, and I will be teaching you how you can get clients from Facebook because Fiverr is an amazing platform. You should get your orders from Fiverr, but it doesn't hurt to have another source of income, right? So this is what the training is all about. Okay, so what to expect from me and what I can expect from you. What you can expect from me is the 6 45-minute weekly sessions with live Q&A and feedback, weekly assignments for you guys because I want you to do the work and don't just watch all of the videos on the internet and do nothing about it. Absolutely not. I want you to do the work, and that's what these weekly assignments will be all about. I will be sharing with you my client winning scripts, and I will be teaching you how you can optimize and personalize it according to your expertise and your tone of voice. And apart from that, there will be a personalized support on the Facebook group. What I can expect from you is that you should be serious in completing all the assignments. You should have a winning mindset to change your life forever, and you should show up for yourself and for your peers in the community. So this is my program, Freedom with Fiverr. My start date is May 9th, 2020, and my fast action bonus ends 28th April. Make sure you enroll before 28th April in order to get that Facebook training as well, along with the Fiverr main course training. So I will be your instructor. There's just me teaching about Fiverr, and and as you all know, I have left my 9 to 5 job to become a full-time freelancer. I became a level 2 seller in less than a year, and I earned over $12,000 in approximately 1 year, and I earned $538 in just April, as of 14th April, even during COVID-19. So this is the perfect time to start on Fiverr. And by the way, this is just my one source of income. So this is what's possible for you guys. So if you have any questions, you can simply DM me on Instagram at @AfreenMansoor or email me at afreenmansoorali@gmail.com. And I repeat, this program is just for serious applicants who want to change their lives forever. This is not for everyone. This is not for those people who will just be in the program and will just forget about it later. Absolutely not. This program is for serious individuals who want to change their lives. So yeah, I'll see you inside.